All right, guys. We need to kind of run over some topics that, some people might consider common sense. Some people don't know about the information. So, even if you know this, then, please just, take that information, use this as a reminder and kind of move forward with that. When you mix certain cleansers, right, they can actually create, have fatal responses if you do them wrong, right? Most of these are just going to cause eye irritation, skin irritation, things like that. So, um, never mix bleach and ammonia. Okay, those things they can create a toxic chloroform gas. I don't know if you've ever heard of chloroform, but it can cause shortness of breath, coughing, chest pain, fluid in the lungs. I mean, that's some serious stuff. At high levels, that can actually be fatal and kill you. So. Ammonia is found in things like glass cleaners, pet stain removers, some degreasers. Anyways, just be really careful. I use a rule of thumb just not to mix chemicals. Okay, so that's an important one. I would like it if you try and follow that same rule. Don't mix bleach and vinegar, right? The combination of those two things creates chlorine gas, which is highly toxic. It can create respiratory damage, eye burning, make you puke. Anyways, even small amounts, they can irritate your lungs, so just don't mix it. The other things to keep in mind is mixing bleach and rubbing alcohol. Why you would have these two things together, I have no idea. This creates chloroform, right? That is a toxic compound that can kill you. Okay, so be sure not to mix those things together. We never want to do hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. This actually creates some acidic and corrosive sort of things to go on. So not only will it irritate your skin and your eyes and your lungs, but it's also going to do damage to the house. So really try not to, mix peroxide and vinegar ever. General safety rules for all cleaners, right? Why is it dangerous, right? You got to read the labels. You got to know what you're spraying on there, okay? Like I said, just don't mix them, okay? There's no good reason to. We have a cleaning agent for every single thing that you're going to be doing. Always work in well-ventilated areas. The cleaning agents are all labeled, so make sure and you look at them before you start using them. They're all pretty unique, so you should be able to identify them pretty easily. Wear gloves, if you need eye protection, if you're, refilling some of this stuff, but there's really nothing so dangerous, that you're not getting it off the shelf. Okay. One of our rules is to use the top name brand cleaning solution. So everything we're putting down there has been tested and proven safe.